Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So last time we have completed the conditional ternary operator. This time we will be seeing about the reduction operator and reduction even wider gates. So let's see it. So here is a bit of practice. So we'll go through the theory first, like description. So we know the bitwise operators are AND, XOR. So what is a reduction? Means if you want if you want to AND 4 bits, so we have to first earlier we have to write like this. So what does the reduction operator do is it create, if we write like this, like AND of a3 is to 0, it is similar like writing the conventional type like a of 3 and with a of 2 and with a of 1 and with a of 4. So this is basically we are reducing our work of writing the code. So let's see what is a practice. So parity checking is often used as a simple method of detecting errors when transmitting data through an imperfect channel. So create a circuit that will compute a parity bit for 8 bit wide, which will add a 9th bit to the bit. So we will use even parity wherever there is a parity, it is just the XOR of all 8 bits. So here is the expected solution length. So nothing, it is we have to just XOR the all 8 bits. So instead of writing this, we will use the traditional method. We will use the reductional method. Sorry. So assign we have parity as our output. Assign parity equal to XOR of in, and we have to close the semicolon. Then we have to the code is submitted. Compilation process has been started. So as you can see, the status is success. There is no timing diagram. So we'll go for the next one. So it is a reductional operator itself. Build a combinational circuit with 100 inputs. So there are three outputs: output of AND, output of OR, and output of XOR. So we have to basically use a reductional operator to do that. Assign output of AND equal to AND of in. So similarly for other one, out of OR equal to assign OR of in, and assign out of XOR equal to XOR of in. So let's submit the code. So as you can see, compilation process has been started. So as you can see, the statistics is, and this is the timing diagram to verify. So that's all for today.